So this is going to be a step-by-step quick guide on how to clean moldy shoes. All of this is possible at home. You don't need to buy any expensive stuff. I mean, you might need to buy one or two things, but it's not going to break the bank. And hopefully by the end of the video, you feel encouraged to do this yourself. Alright, first, so you know it's no clickbait, I'm going to show you how I had these shoes looking. Equipment checklist. So obviously, moldy J's or footwear of choice. Got a little container to hold the shoe cleaner in it. Then my go-to solution, Markk premium cleaning solution. Next, I got some isopropyl alcohol, or more simply rubbing alcohol. I got this respiratory mask just so I don't breathe in any of those dust mold spores. Some microfibre towels, and then my 2 cleaning brushes, 1 firm, 1 soft. If you need to see the full list of equipment, it's in the description as well if that was a bit too fast. So step 1 is dry brushing. I'm going to be brushing downwards in the same direction just to get all those mold spores off. You'll see that I've actually laid down a wet kitchen roll, like kitchen paper towel, whatever you want to call it, so that it can catch all of the mold spores. And something that I didn't show on cam here is I actually rinsed off that brush with boiling water just to be extra sure that there was no mold spores on it. But either way, I'm just spraying it down with some rubbing alcohol just to kill any remaining mold on it. Step 2, I'm going to get some isopropyl alcohol, spray it onto one of the microfibre towels, and then just give the shoe a wipe down just in case there's any leftover mold that I didn't pick up with the dry brushing. You don't want to spray it directly on the shoe either because you don't want to damage the material. Depending on the type of shoe as well, you could get some of the paint or dye leaking as well, so it's better to use a little than a lot here. Completely spray the bottom, wipe it down. There could be mold spores anywhere, so better safe than sorry. Then take the laces off, put those to the side of the solution. So I'm not endorsing using expensive shoe cleaners, obviously because I clean a lot of shoes, I have that. But if you don't at home, then just get some warm water, some dish soap, and then just mix it together. Should be able to get off most of the dirt anyway. So just like I did with the uppers, I'm going to be cleaning the outsole with the same cleaning solution. I also recommend if you have one, you can use a bit of a firmer brush because that can help get the dirt out a little better. So after you clean it with the solution, just leave them to the side to dry. Don't touch them, just let them fully air dry. Whether that's on a radiator or on low heat, outdoors if it's warm, just somewhere where they can properly air out. So now the uppers are done, I'm going to go back to the shoelaces that I put to the side and clean those off. Once you think they're clean, pull them out, hold the lace in one hand, get the other hand, and then just wring it out. So yeah, final step, just get a soft brush, brush off any remaining dust or dirt sitting on the surface to give it that little final touch, and then we good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I told you, it's not that difficult to do this. If you have shoes like that at home, I hope you're more encouraged to actually clean them now because it's really not that hard. If this helped or you got a pair like this at home, you already know what to do. Yeah, that's job done.